Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef very soft. To achieve incredibly tender beef, start by selecting cuts like chuck roast or brisket. These cuts benefit greatly from slow cooking methods. Cook them at a low temperature, around 275 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 hours, allowing the connective tissues to break down gradually. Marinating is another excellent way to tenderize beef. Acidic ingredients like vinegar, lemon juice, or even yogurt in your marinade help to break down the muscle fibers. For best results, marinate your beef for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors and tenderizers to fully penetrate the meat. Braising and pressure cooking are highly effective methods for tenderizing beef. Braising involves cooking meat slowly in a small amount of liquid, like broth or wine, until it's incredibly soft. Pressure cooking achieves similar results in a fraction of the time, using high pressure to quickly break down tough fibers. Finally, proper cutting and resting are crucial for soft beef. Always slice your cooked beef against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite more tender. After cooking, let the beef rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.